Julian, Matthew. Julian, I want to be absolutely clear from the outset. There is no criticism of the quality of your work in either case. This is absolutely not about that. In fact, I'm entirely clear and confident that you are very good and very professional window cleaners. Nevertheless, the two of you, Julian and Matthew, entered into a commercial contract where I have to say, and I'm looking at you, Julian, more than Matthew, because you're more experienced than him, that you did just about everything wrong, particularly when you were acquiring a business of this kind. And especially, you got nothing down on paper. It very nearly could have resulted in you losing this case. But what Matthew did, and what he now admits in fairness to him, is that he promised to give you all of the money back. In other words, he stopped you going out to start all of that work and promised you that you'd be reimbursed. That's a new agreement. I find that that agreement is perfectly legally valid, and therefore you're entitled to the entirety of what you've been paid. However, bearing in mind we're in this court, you have determined to restrict the value of your claim for reasons which are perfectly valid and a matter for you to the legal limit here. And therefore, I can only award you the full value of the powers of this court. So this court awards you £5,000. Next time, you need to get everything down in writing. That's the award of this court.
Julian won his case and was awarded the full amount of the claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
I was not sure how that was going to go partway through with some of the questions I was getting from the judge. It was, yes, I was feeling concerned.
I'm pleased it's sorted out. It's just a shame I had to come to this to get it sorted, I guess. Yeah, it's the first time I've spoken face-to-face for a year, isn't it? Yeah.
I know. Obviously happy with the result. Maybe not happy about how daft I look for not getting some of these things down on paperwork that I should have done. Maybe makes me look a little naive when the deal went sour. It's difficult. Not talking to me was the main problem. Yeah. Like we saw with all the messages, it's just...
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to ever be the world's best businessman. Yes, I probably am too soft. But that can work in my favour with the customers I have, maybe. That's why they stick.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.